Another thing the representative can do is to help you to use any payment method. You want to use letter of credit? It's okay. You want to do bill for collection? It's okay. You want to do advance payment? It's okay. You want to do open account? It's okay. Pretty much any payment method can be. Hello, my name is Dela Yemibaya. Welcome to another edition of DBA TV, where we discuss everything international trade. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to mitigate payment risk using overseas sales representative, or you can call it why you need overseas sales representative if you are going into export business. Why you need overseas sales representative if you are going into export business. I define export readiness as the ability of a business as a multifaceted concept that involves the ability of a business to successfully enter the export market, sustainably compete in the market, and significantly grow until it becomes established in the market. Now, one of the things that help the business to be able to successfully enter, sustainably compete, and significantly grow is the challenge. Is being able to have a representative at the export market. To have a representative at the export market. Now, this is very important. It's very important because having a representative in the export market, help you solve a lot of problems. And the focus in this particular video is the challenge of not getting paid. In fact, if a representative have a fraudulent intent, but he realize you have a representative in the export market. If a buyer have a fraudulent intent, but realize that you have a representative in the export market, he will be more careful in going ahead with the planned fraud. Why? Because there is a rep at the destination that can easily allow the police or engage the law enforcement agent to remedy the situation. So having a representative abroad is a way to mitigate that risk. But what's also interesting about this issue is this. Having a rep abroad does not just help a business, to mitigate payment risk. It also helps the business in a lot of other ways. For example, it can help the business to be able to find more buyers. Why? Because the representative, or rather, one of the jobs of the representative is actually to find buyers. When you have a representative, one of the things the representative does is to be able to find buyers. The representative can become your consignee. That means, in fact, that one of the ways you use it to prevent payment issues. That representative might be the one now you'll be sending documents to. Who will be the one to clear the goods and deliver the document to the end user. Because the representative now serve as a consignee, who the good is consigned to, who can be the one to clear or the one to transfer ownership. So if the good arrive and payment is due against document, and the buyer or proposed buyer cannot pay immediately, then I can use that document to transfer to someone else. Because when I'm doing shipment by sea, transferring of ownership can be done by endorsement and delivery of the bill of lading. Whoever had the bill of lading have title and ownership to claim the goods from the shipping line. So if my rep is the one I consign the goods to and is the one that can clear, that can mitigate payment risk. That can mitigate payment risk. By the way, this is not done for free. It's done at a fee. The rep might need to be paid commission or being on retainer, depending on the agreement between the exporter and the representative. Another thing the representative can do is to help you to use any payment method. You want to use letter of credit? It's okay. You want to do bill for collection? It's okay. You want to do advance payment? It's okay. You want to do open account? It's okay. Pretty much any payment method can be allowed. Why? Because there is a rep at destination that helps to ensure payment is made. So I am payment method agnostic. I'm not married to any payment method because I have a representative at destination. This rep can also help in handling documents. Like if I consign the bill of lading to the rep, for example, it will be the one to handle that document and deliver it to the other party. So it helps in mitigating payment default. It can help to do due diligence. In fact, the representative, one of the cardinal jobs of the representative is to find additional buyers, to keep working to find buyers and do due diligence on those buyers to ensure that those buyers pay as expected, doing the necessary follow-up where required, doing due diligence, and be able to identify, oh, this buyer we cannot do, this buyer must be payment aside. Okay, this one we can give supplier credit for him to pay sometime in the future, because he's been able to do due diligence. By the way, if the shipment is by air, let your rep be the one to clear the goods and let the buyer pay to pick up the goods. Let your rep be the one, because you are going to send shipping document to your rep who will clear the goods. Let him be the one to clear the goods. Let him be the one to clear the goods. Let him be the one to clear the goods. And when he clear the goods, the buyer can come and pick up the good and pay on the spot. Because the original shipping document does not control the goods. Sorry, the transfer of document does not control the good in when you're shipping by air. If you're shipping by sea, transfer document control the good. Original is required. But if you're shipping by air, copies is enough. So if you send that copy, when you're shipping by sea, if you send copy to your buyer, he will wait for the original to clear. If you're shipping by air, if you send copy to the buyer, he will clear the goods with the copies. So it's good that copy or original go to your rep to be the one to clear the goods and be able to ensure payment is made. I hope this video has been of help to you. If it has, if you have questions, please drop your question in the comment section. If you love the video, give us a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. My name remains Dela Yemibo, and I'm your expert doctor